Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be presenting this morning will be on how to link my big screen TV to my cell phone. That's my cell phone. The main reason behind is that I would like to play a video on my cell phone, and I would like that the display will be my big screen TV. Okay? Uh, this is the way on how to do this one. I'll be using the remote control of the TV. Okay? Okay, I highlighted the settings on the TV, but for the meantime, we are on the YouTube apps, right? And to link the big screen TV with my cell phone, okay, I would like to toggle that thing. I'll go to the link with the TV code. Okay. I highlighted link with the TV code because I needed that code which will be entered on my cell phone such that my cell phone will bring out its video on the big screen TV. Okay. I will now try to enter the code, which is 408 300 211, and I think that's 238 on my cell phone, so that I could bring out the video on the big screen TV, and this is what we term to as the so-called RSS maybe. Okay. Okay. That's it.
Okay, good evening, ladies and
Okay, I will try to mute the sound. So right now, okay, the video on my cell phone is now being displayed on the big screen TV because I would like to utilize the big screen TV as a display of the video which I am playing on my cell phone. Okay, I would like to bring out the audio because I muted it.
The one I assembled yesterday was the lower one here.
Okay,
Okay, and I am now charging.
I will
my
try to
phone.
mute it again so I could talk. So that's it, guys. This is the video which is playing on my cell phone. So right now, since I linked the cell phone with the TV using a TV code, okay, this cell phone now is communicating with the big screen TV such that whatever video I will play on the cell phone will be displayed on the big screen TV. So that's the way how we link a cell phone to a big screen TV so that we could bring out any video that will be played on the cell phone using the big screen TV as a display. Okay? So I will bring out again the audio. I will unmute it.
For USB-C, in which the terminal we are plugging is actually round. The old Samsung, there are four sides here. It's something like a what you call this hexagon, you know. No.
Okay.
It's a rhombus, you know. Okay. So actually, this one here.
Okay, that's it, guys. I will try to mute it again. I will repeat it one more time before we will go with this morning. To link this cell phone here to the big screen TV, I must have to open the YouTube app on the big screen TV. I will go to settings, then I will try to highlight the link with the TV code. So when that TV code comes out, it will communicate with my cell phone because I activated the cell phone so that it will communicate with the TV. So as soon as the TV code comes out and I press something on the cell phone for it to be connected, okay, any video which will be played on the cell phone will come out on the TV as a big screen display. Okay, so that's the way on how to link the cell phone to the big screen TV so that any video that will be played on the cell phone will come out on the big screen TV. Okay, I will try to unmute it again.
The old power bank, you will charge the old power bank using the USB-C.
Okay, I will try to unmute it again. That's it, guys. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. Good morning from Los Angeles.